Hello dear friends. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where wood comes to life. Today we will show you the collection of nature-inspired organic wood stool from reclaimed wood. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful and inspirational reclaimed wood stools. We post furniture, decor and crafts ideas videos daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. To never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas, smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Kuki Decor. Nature-inspired organic wood stools crafted from reclaimed wood represent a harmonious blend of artistry, sustainability, and natural aesthetics. These stools are far more than just functional furniture pieces. They are deeply symbolic expressions of the raw, untouched beauty of nature, brought into the modern home with a refined and environmentally conscious touch. The use of reclaimed wood infuses each stool with history and soul, as the timber is salvaged from old barns, decommissioned ships, dismantled structures, or storm-felled trees. Every weathered plank and twisted root tells a story of time, wear, and resilience. Unlike mass-produced items, organic wood stools are imbued with individuality, bearing natural imperfections like knots, cracks, and grains that are not flaws, but rather features that echo the authenticity of the material's origin. These imperfections are often embraced by artisans who design each stool to celebrate its organic character, crafting forms that follow the natural contours of the wood rather than forcing the material into rigid, geometric templates. The result is a sculptural, often minimalist piece that looks as though it could have grown directly from the forest floor, yet offers sturdy functionality suited to everyday use in a modern home. Nature-inspired organic wood stools represent a closed-loop solution in which waste becomes beauty, and the past is reimagined into future-forward designs. This aligns seamlessly with the principles of biophilic design, which emphasize reconnecting people with nature through architecture and interiors. Such stools can serve as grounding focal points in a space, evoking calm, balance, and a deeper appreciation for the natural world. When placed in minimalist, modern, or rustic settings, they act as quiet anchors, inviting touch, sparking curiosity, and adding warmth through their textures and tones. The structural integrity of the stool is carefully balanced with its aesthetic charm, resulting in furniture that feels both ancient and enduringly relevant. Some designers enhance the organic feel by incorporating subtle asymmetry into their designs, mimicking the irregular patterns found in nature. Others allow the reclaimed wood to speak for itself, using minimal shaping and preserving bark edges, scorch marks, or patina finishes to capture the raw beauty of the material's life cycle. This approach not only gives each stool a one-of-a-kind appearance, but also fosters a sense of emotional connection between the owner and the object, a reminder of nature's cycles, imperfections, and enduring grace. The sustainability aspect of using reclaimed wood cannot be overstated. In a world increasingly aware of environmental degradation and deforestation, the choice to use salvaged materials is a powerful ecological statement. It reduces demand for freshly harvested lumber, diverts waste from landfills, and lessens the carbon footprint associated with logging, milling, and transporting new wood. Moreover, by repurposing wood that has already proven its durability, these stools offer long-lasting quality and structural strength, often superior to furniture made from fast-growth timber or synthetic materials. Interior designers and homeowners alike gravitate toward these stools for their versatility and visual impact. Whether used as a seating option at a kitchen island, a side table in a living room, a plant stands in a sunny nook, or even as a meditative perch in a personal sanctuary, organic reclaimed wood stools are inherently multifunctional. Their neutral hues, from golden honey tones to deep chocolate browns and silvery grays, complement virtually any color palette, making them ideal for both bold and understated interiors. The stools are often finished with eco-friendly oils or waxes that enhance the wood's natural grain while providing protection without sealing its breathability. This finish allows the material to age gracefully over time, deepening in color and character. Some stools are left untreated to encourage a raw, tactile experience and allow the scent of the wood, cedar, oak, walnut, or pine, to subtly perfume the space. As time passes, these pieces develop a patina that reflects their journey, further enriching the connection between material, maker, and owner. Moreover, organic reclaimed wood stools often draw direct inspiration from natural landscapes, mountains, forests, riverbeds, and coastal shores. A stool's curved seat might be modeled after a wind-sculpted dune, while the legs could resemble tree trunks or root systems. This biomorphic influence not only elevates the design aesthetic, but also helps foster an intuitive relationship between the user and the stool. The tactile warmth of wood, combined with its visual resemblance to the forms and textures found outdoors, contributes to a calming and centering environment indoors. As homes increasingly become sanctuaries from the overstimulation of modern life, furniture that channels the serenity of nature holds immense appeal. Reclaimed wood stools help bridge the gap between indoor living and outdoor inspiration, bringing elements of the wild into the safety and comfort of our homes. These stools are particularly cherished in the realm of eco-conscious design, where function, form, and footprint are all critical considerations. They speak to a lifestyle that values harmony with the environment, responsible consumption, and the beauty of natural imperfection. Their creation often supports small-scale artisans, woodworkers, and local economies, further reinforcing the sustainability cycle. Purchasing or commissioning a nature-inspired reclaimed wood stool is not merely acquiring an object. It is supporting a movement that prioritizes ethical materials, slow design, and meaningful craftsmanship. In many ways, these stools act as quiet revolutions in the home, a rejection of the mass-produced in favor of the intentional, the synthetic in favor of the organic, and the temporary in favor of the timeless. Nature-inspired organic wood stools made from reclaimed wood offer more than aesthetic appeal. They embody the essence of sustainable living, natural beauty, and soulful design. Each stool is a physical manifestation of the intersection between ecology, artistry, and human experience. From forest floor to home floor, their journey is one of transformation, where discarded timber is reborn as a treasured artifact of both function and form. With their sculptural lines, tactile warmth, and ecological roots, these stools not only serve the needs of daily life, but also invite mindfulness, admiration, and a deeper connection to the world around us. As we seek to design spaces that nurture rather than deplete, and choose furniture that resonates with values of sustainability and simplicity, the organic reclaimed wood stool stands out as a shining example of how beauty, utility, and environmental responsibility can coexist in perfect harmony. It is, at once, a seat and a story, a celebration of nature's resilience and a call to honor what the earth so generously provides. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Decor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.